Yo, what's going on, FIFA Mobile? It's Krazify back again with another video. So, this video is about how I made 40 million coins in a single day. Yeah, that's about it. I just spent 25,000 gems and I'm gonna spend more. I spent 25,000 gems on this team of the year, sorry. And I claimed Davies and Trent plus Hummels. I just sold them as soon as I possibly can and made a lot of coins with it. And we are gonna do some pack opening videos of 85 plus nominees packs in the Utoty session. We'll see that soon. Let's claim the rewards first. Elite player Mobile, not bad at all, but the fact he's just worth 100k just kills it. Just kills it, absolutely kills it. He's worth nothing, absolutely. Anyway, just claim some starter tokens and claim Hummels. The reason I did Hummels cause his supply will be low at the start of the market. Like, he's just being posted on the market, so everyone go for Allison, but I went for Hummels for his supply is being very low, so obviously the price will go higher. Let's get it. Team of the year nominee Hummels is here. Let's get the starter token. That's lovely, isn't it? The card stats is not that good at all, but for coins, obviously, you have to do it. I don't know if it's worth it or not, but I just did it. I don't know why. And let's do it. Trent Alexander-Arnold is here. And hope these gems are worth it after all. 25,000 gems, that's a really lot. And let's claim Alphonso Davies. I really recommend him. He's so fast, he catches fingers so fast. He's really great to stop cross spammers. And yeah, let's sell them on the market. And now let's do some pack opening. We get into the Utoty tab and just claim the 85 plus nominee. Hopefully we get a master from here. Thiago Silva, not bad at all. Master, please master. No, Edison. Edison will not go for a lot. I hope so. Master. No, that's shit. Master. Nah, that's shit as well. Nah, I'm losing hope on these packs. I'm 85. Come on, EA. What are you doing? Suarez, let's go. That's really great. Woo! Angel Di Maria. Let's go. Finally, we black some master. I hope he goes for a lot. Let's check their prices. That's bad. 2 million for Di Maria? Really? I'm gonna sell him for low. I hope he sells. I'll just sell all for suggested prices. Why not? Just sell them all for suggested prices. Hopefully they sell out. Hopefully we make a lot of coins too. 500k, not bad at all, bro. But wow, 3 more. I get it now. Premium version. Let's list it low for the surety of selling. And finally, those are the sales. Suarez and Angelino didn't sell. Others all sold. Let's claim all these players. Hopefully they are worth it. Hopefully they are worth the gems. What are you guys predicting? I mean, I already said it, but still. We were on 25 million. And now that's wow, 53 million, 23 million just from these coins, just from these packs. And Suarez sold as well. That's 30 million coins just from 25k gems. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. What are your thoughts on it? Let me know. I may have rested it, but Utoty is coming. I wanna do some player review as well, so I just did it. And for the rest 10 million coins, I grinded the way all up to 1.9 million cups from 1.6 million cups in a single day. That's 300k in a single day. I did a lot of grinding on that day. I was lucky to all my headers went in. Yeah, I'm a cross spammer. All my headers went in, all my shots went in. It was a good day. And this was the last match. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy the match.
town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your...
And that is it. Those are the match results. I was exactly at 1.9 million cups. Again, I was so lucky on that day. Let's claim that mini alert card. Yeah, we are on FIFA Superstars for the third time. Make sure you check out my head-to-head videos before. I've given the link down in the description below. Let's claim and sell that mini alert card. And boom! I don't know if it's value worth for the grind, but 10 million coins. There we go. 10 million coins for the head-to-head grind. I hope it's worth it. And that is it. This is my team for now. I'm stuck with 76 million coins right now for some Utoty player reviews and team upgrades. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.
All of you to stop what you're doing and listen.